Ja, dit is baie lekker om my vriende te sien, baie lekker om weer in die Kaap te wees en ek sien uit na Saterdag se wedstryd. Ja, ek het nou net twee verhandelings gemaak. Een is een Praia wat nou inkom vir Nick White. Nick White is beseer en dan Dan Palmer, hy kom op die vaskopkant van die scrum. Ek dink is 'n goeie kans om vir Ben Alexander 'n kansie te gee.
And you've seen the Stormers team, I mean, what do you expect against them on Saturday?
Ja, nee, ek dink Stormers gaan altyd goed wees op Nieuweland. Die feit dat hulle nou 'n nuwe Springbok senterpaar het in Jean Guillaume en Jean de Villiers. En jy weet, ons weet, hulle moet hierdie game wen. Hulle verstaan hierdie week is groot vir hulle ook. So jy weet, ek het baie tye gesien hoe die Stormers goed op Nieuweland speel. So ons is vol vertroue.
Yeah, look, I think it's a huge challenge anytime you've got a guy like with Becker's presence in the line-out, and the games that the Stormers go well, he controls that area really well, and he's obviously well supported by the other jumpers in around there. And look, that's another huge challenge for us this weekend. It's obviously a massive part of their games, driving off their set piece and getting their forwards into the game and inviting the crowd into the game through that aspect of the game. So, look, we're well aware of the challenge there, but look, we've got a very, very good functioning line-out. Guys are well across the way we want to attack the game. The space we create through it. So look, we've had a lot of combination through our line-out in the last 2 years, which has been fortunate for us. So we've played in a lot of pressure situations now, and it's held up. So look, that's the type of challenge you want. Is if you're going to get a big win like this against the Stormers, you've got to work bloody hard for it, and you've got to overcome things like Becker and the strong Stormers line-out.
Jake, just to